And I'm going to talk about GUIs, right? And Tkinter has this amazing library that has many tools to create amazing GUIs. And for those that don't know, GUI refers to graphical user interface, okay? So let's get to it. So the first thing you want to do is write from Tkinter import and this little sign right there, okay? And with that, you are done. Now, to create our first window, it's very simple. All you need is two pieces of code. First, declare a variable. I'm going to write window, but you can write anything. Window, let's see, window equals tk. That's the class there. And now you need something to keep the window up, a loop. All right, so you write window dot main loop. All right, there we go. So once I run this, I should be getting a window, our first GUI. Bam, there you go. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? You can stretch it. It looks very nice. And with just two pieces of code, basically. Okay, during class, we're going to be doing more things. We're going to add buttons. We're going to add labels. We're going to put some entry boxes for users to put information. But today, all I'm going to do is show you how to put a title and how to resize or give how to give different dimensions to this GUI, okay? And I'll do it right now. So to put a title, you write window, use the whatever variable you came up with, window dot title, very easy, title, and inside we're gonna write a string. I'm gonna write my first GUI, all right? And now I'm going to run it. There you go, look at this, my first GUI. Isn't it amazing? Okay, now I'm going to change the dimensions, all right? So now you write window dot, and the method is geometry. We're going to be using this a lot in class, geometry. There we go. And the dimensions, since I want, I guess, make my GUI bigger, I can write 700 by 700 in a string. So 700 times 700. Okay, so now when I run this, I should get the same window but bigger. Let me run it. There you go. Wow, this is huge. Look at that. My first GUI, okay? And you can resize it if you want, okay? There's a method to not allow the user to do that, but we're gonna talk about that later, right? But for now, that is it, okay? It's a very short video, but very powerful at the same time, okay?